So here I have a motor of a motorcycle, and here I have another motor of another motorcycle. Are these two motors very similar? Let's look. Whoop, whoop. So to me, I see some similarities. They're both V engines. They both seem to be designed very similarly. And we could say that the exhaust probably goes down through here, through the same positions. I would say one engine is related to the other. So these bikes are, let's zoom out. The one is the SVT 650 and the other is the older VSTROM. Okay, of course the VSTROM has a fixed suspension travel of 17 centimeters, I think. This has a suspension travel of 14.5, adjustable suspension. Both have 19. Inch front wheel, and I think this is enough for this video. Subscribe and leave a like. Whee! Whee! Before R. Hold the bike before R. Okay, bye.